What's going on? It's Dom. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to another Dom IY video. Today I'm working on a friend's car. I'm replacing the purge valve on her 2015 Chevy Sonic Turbo. Now the purge valve regulates the flow of fuel vapors from the charcoal canister into the intake manifold. And what happens sometimes is this valve that's inside of here remains open and it causes an error code. That's what I got when I hooked up my ODB2 scanner, and it gave me an error message of P0496, emission, evaporation, etc., etc. Lo and behold, it's this piece right here. She went out and bought it at AutoZone for $45. Chevy will probably charge her $400 or $500 to do the job. I'm going to replace this very, very quickly. Let's do this now. All right, so this is the purge valve way down here. It comes with this attachment that's connected to the manifold here. So we're just going to disconnect it in 3 locations. The first one being right here. I'm going to squeeze this connector, pop that right out. Very, very easy. Now, there is a way of checking to see if the valve, in fact, is defective. You can hook up a rubber hose to this, and you can blow through. And if your flow of air passes through easily, and if you suck out, if it sucks out easily, that means that it's in the open position. I've already tested that, so we do know that that's the failure. And then over on this side, if you can see, you've got 2 more connections under this hose here. I'm going to try and lift it up. You've got 2 more connections here. Let's see if I can remove the entire assembly so we can have a little better view. Right here, I've got these 2 connections that I'm going to remove. So to disconnect these 2 ends here, it was just a matter of squeezing this down here and sliding this one out. And then the other one has this blue retainer around it. Just lifting up on that retainer, removing it, and then you can pull it out from this section here. Now we're just going to take the new one and pop it on. So here's the new piece right here that I'm about to put in. I'm just going to put it in under this hose right here. Take my connection for the rear, snap it right in place. You'll hear it snap in place. This one here also, it'll snap in place just like that. You'll hear a little click and feel a click. I'm just going to put the little retainer ring back on. It's like a plastic retainer. Push it in, it locks it right in there. And now this is held on right onto this with this plastic piece right here. It has like a little rubber grommet right inside just to hold it secure. And now on this end here, I'll just twist the cap.
I need light.
Right there, and push down until it clicks. And that's it. This purge valve is replaced with a new one, and that should get rid of her error message. Well, there you have it, a very quick, easy, and inexpensive DIY how to replace the canister purge valve on a 2015 Chevy Sonic Turbo. I'm sure this applies to other Chevys of this type, probably from about 2014 to 18, I believe. But it's a very, very simple DIY, very inexpensive. I'll leave a link in the description below for the part from AutoZone. Save yourself a lot of money, do it yourself. Better yet, dumb it yourself. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, leave a comment down below. All that helps support the channel. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. As always, thank you for watching. I'll catch you next time.